pretty fun day, I think, because today we are going to make the floral filler part for our horse jump. For the last 2 weeks, we have been working on building a hunter jump. And today is probably my favorite part because we are going to be working on my favorite part, which is what beautifies the jumps and just makes it look wow. And it's not something that you necessarily have to do when you're jumping at home, but if you want to emulate what your horse is going to see at the showgrounds, you might want to consider doing this. And today I'm going to show you a very affordable way of how to get really cool looking florals and fillers for your horse jumps. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, happy flower welcome. That's right, it's a floral, flowerly welcome today, however you want to look at it. One of the most fun things for me about building horse jumps on my own is doing the decorating afterwards. But if you start buying lots of different flowers and stuff to add as fillers for your horse jumps, you can end up spending a lot of money if you're not careful. However, there is something that you can do that is really affordable, and you can get lots of flowers at a really, like nothing. They are pretty much, nothing. All of these flowers here, that's what's in all of these bags, is different flowers that I got at Walmart. And the price tag, and I don't know if you can see that, but the price tag says it's 97 cents. So 97 cents for this bunch of flowers. And in itself, that would be okay if you just wanted to add like one bunch of flowers to the tall flower boxes that we made. But if you want to make it look even fuller and better, in my opinion, you can bunch 2 sets of flowers and then have them at different heights in your flower boxes. So what I did was go to Walmart, and I found all of their Christmas clearance. So these were originally 97 cents, but since we're in the middle of January, I got them for 9 cents a piece. Yes, these were 9 cents for each bunch of flowers. So I got red ones, I got green plant-like ones, and I got white ones. And yes, they are poinsettias, so they're Christmas flowers, but who cares? You're gonna have flowers for your tall flower boxes or the little flower rails that we've made before in the past. It doesn't matter if they're poinsettias or not, or has a little bit of glitter on them, but all of these flowers, I have bags and bags and bags of flowers. And all of these flowers cost me less than $20. So not only are we going to fill the tall flower boxes with flowers, but I'm also going to make some wreaths that we can hang on the wing standards because I thought that would look really cool. I have so much red. I'm not sure if I'm going to do red, white, or add some greenery. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to walk you through the process of what I do when I'm making flowers or making bunches of flowers for the tall flower boxes to really make the jump stand out. So let's get started. the flowers that are laying in front of me, I have way more red flowers than any of the other ones. So I think what we're gonna do is fill the tall flower boxes with the red flowers and also make some wreaths to go on the wing standards to add as extra decoration. But before I do that, the first thing I have to do is take all of the labels off of each individual flower. So let's do that right now. So here is our beautiful hunter jump that we've been working on, and this is the jump all assembled. So these are the wing standards we built. These are the tall flower boxes, the gate, and then the poles. The bottom poles are actually raised rails, and I've got a video showing you guys how you can make those. They're super easy. They're just leftover remnants from the cherry tone landscaping timbers, and then I put some 2x4s on the ends, just again little remnants, and this is what we get. So all in all, I think our jump looks pretty cool. Even if we were just to use it just like this, I think it's awesome. I'm pretty proud of this, and like I've showed you in my videos, you can make this and it's not very difficult, but it looks pretty impressive when it's all set up, don't you think? But now we're going to add the final element, and we're just going to add some of my 9-cent filler flowers to the tall jump boxes. So let's put them in. That looks pretty fancy, doesn't it? And I was thinking that I was going to put 2 bunches of flowers in each of the holes, but I think it actually looks pretty good with just being 1 bunch of flowers. If you wanted to, you could add a little bit of extra. Maybe we'll do that real quick and add some of the little greenery that we had too and see what that looks like. So I'll be right back. And that is adding the little extra greenery right behind the flowers that I already added. I think I like that. I think it makes it look really full and it's really inviting. One thing you could do if you don't like the little gap that's right here is just add some extra flowers. But by adding both stems to 1 single hole, it actually makes the flowers pretty secure and I don't have to worry about them blowing away. So overall, I am really pleased with this. Looks really cool. I wonder if I can jump it. I don't know. That looks pretty tall. I just jumped my horse jump. I am incredibly happy with how these turned out. And the best part, all of those flowers. So overall, there are 44 flower bushes or stems, whatever you want to call them, total. And the total cost for those flowers to add that to this jump was $3.96. You can't even get like 1 group of nice flowers for $3.96. And even though they have poinsettias, I think it looks okay. And I don't think my horses are going to know that it's July and they're jumping over poinsettias and have a fit. Just my opinion, but I don't think that really matters, especially when you can add something like that to your own jumps at home for less than $5. You can't beat it. So I think next I'm going to go in and work on some wreaths that we can hang up right about here for the wing standards. But I think I'm out of red flowers. I don't think I'll have enough. I don't know. I'm going to go in and find out. And that's going to be the video I'm going to do for you next, because that's going to take a little bit of time and I want to make sure I have enough time to dedicate to the wreaths and show you how to do them. But there is the first jump of our hunter jump. Pretty cool, huh? And it doesn't look too bad being an 8-foot wide jump, 4-foot tall standards. I'm really happy with that. I'm pretty impressed with myself. This just goes to show you can do anything that you set your mind to doing if you believe in yourself. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture. At the end of this video, you can subscribe to my channel and watch all my DIY videos and make your very own horse jumps. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.